Hey y'all, welcome back. Today as well we have new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can undo left swipe on OkCupid. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply go ahead and step into our video, y'all. So for that matter, what we will do, we will first access our OkCupid on either of our browser or on our mobile phone itself. Once we have opened it up, and make sure that you have logged in as well, we're gonna go find this kind of interface over here with the profiles for us to simply swipe right or left according to our need. So let's say while we were simply swiping left and we would like to undo that profile, you can see this particular undo icon will appear over here. You can see this white color with this black round half circle arrow. Tap on it and then you will find this kind of interface. So you can see it for the free accounts that you have just opened, it only allows some passes for you to undo it, only some options, only some chances. But if you want multiple, you will have to get a premium for that. You can see 3 months you will have to pay this much amount for you to get the undo options. For me, I have already tried to change it. So to get the icon, swipe it, tap on this, and that undo will be done. Make sure to take the premium package of it. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.